In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can make a WordPress account on mobile. So let's begin the tutorial. First of all, download WordPress app on your smartphone. Whether you are using iPhone or Android, the process of creating a WordPress account on your phone will be pretty much the same. Once you installed WordPress, open it. And as you're gonna be signed up for WordPress, here click on login or sign up with wordpress.com. Now at first you need to enter your email address. So enter your preferred email address. Once you entered your email address, click on continue. Now you will receive an email from WordPress and there you have to tap the link in order to create your account. So check your email and here you can see this is the mail I got from WordPress to create my account. And once you got this mail, here click on login to the app. And here it will ask you to install some plugin, but you can do it later. So here let's click on continue without Jetpack. And that is here you can see I have successfully created my WordPress account on my phone, and that's pretty much it is. That's how you can sign up for WordPress on phone. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment on this video. And if you want to sign up for Wix on your phone, then watch this video and I will see you in the next one.